Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius 8 sign. This is May bi-weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aquarius 8 sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for you and what's going on, Aquarius? Messages for Aquarius. Five of Swords with Six of Swords. Right now, there are some disturbances between you and your person, misunderstandings. Maybe they cheated on you, lied to you, backstabbed on you. Definitely, there is, I think, there are some disturbances, fighting. And there is communication is coming to fix the things between both of you. For some, you decided to move on from this person. And lot of air energy, the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Six of Cups, Hermit, and the World. You are thinking about this person a lot. And some cycles are ended between you and your person. For some, you are in no contact or in separation with your person. You are undergoing some transformation, Aquarius. You isolated from all and seeing everything in detail. But if you are in separation with your person, but you're still thinking about them. And this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. Then present Five of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, and Three of Pentacles. I think someone want to come back. Someone want to say apology to you. And children's also involved in this connection. For some, they treated you as an option. But now they're coming back. Yeah, they hurt you in past. Now they want you back. They keep tabs on you. They want to test the water before coming towards you, Aquarius. Then future Five of Cups, the Chariot, and the Empress. Yeah, you're still feeling sad for them. But for some, you decided to move on because there are some trust issues. You are not trusting this person. And you are taking your control back. The Empress is here. You want to take your control back and you will do it. Because the Empress is here, you will stand by your power. You are taking your control back. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Virgo. So Aquarius, let's see your person current feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Princess of Wands under the deck. So they want to take action. They're planning to take action. So let's see their current feelings. Aquarius. Six of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, Devil, and Knight of Pentacles with Three of Cups. So if you are in separation with this person, they want reconciliation. For some third party situation involved in this connection, and they are coming back. They're planning to coming back, but it is very, very slow moving energy. And I think in past, there is no equal give and take in this connection, but your person right now thinking about equal give and take. And right now they're feeling overburdened because maybe their emotions are running high. Their emotions are out of control. And the devil, they are heavily obsessed with you, Aquarius. Lot of obsession. For some, this person may be toxic for you, trust issues. That's why maybe you're taking your control back. You decided to move on. But they're planning to come back. So let's see their intentions. And for some, you both are a long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. Still, more than one person is fighting for your attention. Maybe you have options, maybe they have options. One person in this connection have options. There is lot of drama is going, but they are thinking about you a lot, Aquarius. Yes, Three of Pentacles. In past, there is no partnership between both of you, but this time your person want reconciliation with you, and they really want to work on this relationship, and they are very very attracted to you, and they are very passionate towards you, and they want to offer stability because King of Pentacles is here. Yes, so they are thinking about you a lot, and they are obsessed with you, and they want to work on this relationship because Three of Pentacles partnership. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn or Virgo. Seven of Pentacles with 10 of Cups under the deck. For some, maybe your person thinking to make a decision, or right now they're busy with their career, but they're in the process of making decision. They're going to be make decision very soon regarding this relationship, and Seven of Pentacles is here. So maybe for some it will take some time. For that your person to make action, it will take some time for some, because Seven of Pentacles again in waiting mode. So for some, not for all, it depending upon your situation, but they are in the process of making decision, and they're obsessed with you. Definitely they're planning to come back. Very few where resistance is very very high, maybe in that cases it will take more time. Yeah, you're still waiting. Definitely you are also waiting on them, and you started listening to your intuition, trusting your intuition, Aquarius, but you decided to walk away, but you're still waiting on this person. Maybe you're waiting for call or text. Ace of Cups. There is love between both of you, and the person involved in this connection could be Pisces. So definitely there is love. At the same time, there are some issues. I'm seeing hate and love situation between both of you guys, Aquarius. There is love. At the same time, there are some misunderstandings. There are some fightings between both of you. But they are coming back. They're planning to coming back. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Aquarius. Marriage. New love is coming. Trust issues. I always thinking about you. You are pure perfection, and I am very attracted to you. So the messages are marriage, new love is coming, trust issues. I always thinking about you. You are pure perfection, and I am very attracted to you. So these are the messages from your person, and take what resonates. For some, new love is coming. For some, they want to marry you. but there are some trust issues because hate and love situation between both of you, and always thinking about you and your pupil. So let's see some more messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Aquarius. Aquarius. Have faith in your dreams. And luck is on your side. New moon is Sagittarius. So have faith in your dreams. So if you're dreaming about your job or your relationship, definitely have faith in your dream. First, you have to faith. Yes, you have to keep faith, and luck is on your side. Definitely luck is on your side, especially when new moon in Sagittarius. So Aquarius, this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.